Hey everybody, hey. Welcome to Mike Lil's channel. So, sorry, just trying to straighten myself up. So I thought I'll just do this quick video just to explain to people out there, you know, every time I go out or whenever I'm around friends and family or when I'm around people who know that I'm a full-time day trader, they often ask me what trading is. So I thought, okay, I may as well do a video to explain that. Okay, so, but for those of you who have come to our channel for the first time, welcome to Mike Lil's channel. It's always a pleasure to be able to share our knowledge, our crypto trading knowledge to anyone out there that is pretty much searching. So ideally, I create content to help people who are either new to the crypto space or new to the crypto trading space. I know what it's like to start crypto trading as a new person. For me, doing this for 3.5 years now, I understand what it's like to take on a new skill or learn a new skill and be good at it. So the content that I provide on our channel is to help those who are still trying to get their head around things. So today I'm going to quickly go do a quick bit of content to show you what crypto trading is, or what trading is, okay? Because I get asked the question all the time, and as much as I try to explain it simply, there are still people out there that get a little confused. So, you know, after this video, just encourage you to subscribe to our channel, to like our content, to click on the little bell, because anytime we upload videos, you'll get a notification that we do that, we've done that. You know, I try to upload as much of my crypto trading knowledge videos onto our YouTube channel as often as I can. So if I can do it each week, I will try to do that. Okay, so again, you can reach us on Facebook. Our Facebook page is Mike and Lil's Level Up Hustle Hard Fam. And then lastly, we're also on Instagram. So there are different ways that you can reach out to us. If you've got any questions, do not hesitate to ask. Again, if you're just there to pretty much scroll around and get familiar with what you're trying to achieve out there on the crypto space, we just hope that our content helps you. Okay, so sit back and enjoy. So what is trading? Trading is when you buy something low and you sell it at, you know, high or as it goes up to make a profit. Okay, and that's what trading is. You know, I was in a waiting room at a chiropractor office, and the receptionist asked me what I did. I said I traded. What's trading? And I explained this, and she still got confused. So trading is when you buy something at a low price and you sell it as it goes up in price to make a profit. It's as simple as that. Okay, and that's what trading is. So there are different types of trading, which is why I think people may get a little mixed up as to what they're getting, what their understanding trading is. So there are different types of trading out there. So there's a swing trading, which is a long-term trading style. So it's where you buy into a trade and you will hold it for days to months, profiting from that price movement as it goes up. Okay, there's leverage and margin trading, which it's when open trades are larger than the capital. Okay, so let's just say your capital, you had a capital of a certain amount of money, you would normally put that amount as well as any borrowed amount that you could get from brokers, and you would put that onto a trade and you will sell it for a high percentage, being able to not only make a profit, but to cover whatever you use to go into that trade. So that's your leverage and margin trading. They are similar. They're literally the same thing. There's day trading. So day trading is when you're executing trades within that day. Okay, and then there's scalping, which is your small profits with large leverage. Okay, so You know, you're going in, it could mean that you're going to go in with your whole balance that you've got in your exchange, and you will quickly go in and jump out quickly. So you need to make sure that you've found the right exit point to make a small profit, but you've used a large leverage or your large balance. Then there's position trading, which is when you're holding a certain position or your sell price for a long period of time. You know, you'll also hear the term hodling. So position trading is very much like hodling. So you're buying a certain amount at a certain amount, and you're holding it, could be for months, years, for the intention of making some profit at a long-term basis. And then there's your seasonal trading. So it's when certain traders will jump onto the trading platform, whichever they trade, because certain times of the years they've seen a repeat of trends. So it could be anything from 80 to 90% repeated trends at that same time every year. So they'll jump in and trade at that specific season. There are probably other different trading styles or ways out there. These are the main ones that I have heard of and seen of. And out of the list that I trade here, out of the list that is on here, I would pretty much fit myself more around day trading. Okay, so what things can you trade? Again, people get mixed up from that. So there are, what I know, there are 3 things that you can trade. There may be more things out there. Again, my information that I share is as per my own experience and that experience of what's come through my trading journey. So you can trade stocks, okay, and stocks is anything like coffee, rice, and that's stock. So again, you're buying stock at a low price and you're selling it to, I guess, a distributor or whoever you're selling it to. If you're a stock trader, you're selling that at a higher price to make a profit. Then you've got currency trading. So what things you can trade is you can trade currency, which are your dollars. So you could be trading, you know, the US dollar, you could be trading the pound, the Japanese yen, and you're trading those different currencies. And then lastly, you can trade cryptocurrency. Okay, and that's what I trade. I trade cryptocurrency. So these are the 3 different types of things that you can trade that I know of. Okay, so keep it simple, especially when you're new. The less overload of information that you can do, the better, because trading, crypto trading is can become a whole lot of information. But if you just stick to everything being as basic as possible, it will make your trading journey a lot more easier and a lot more consistent for you. Okay, so what trading do we do? So we learned all we know through a company called iCoin Pro. I'm not going to get into the details of the company, but we learned how to trade micro profits. Okay, so it's pretty much going in and setting a trade for a micro profit at the end of that particular trade. So we trade dips. So as you can see in the screen here, we trade when the market dips. Ideally, we like to buy when it's hit its rock bottom at the time, and then we pretty much trade it and sell it as it starts to make its way to the SMA. We trade squeezes. So squeezes, we buy them when they've either hit spike the SMA and the MA, and then spike that top Bollinger Band and make a profit as it starts to hit up towards the divergence line. And that's what we trade. Okay, in iCoin Pro, there are a few other different trading strategies. These are the foundations of the trading strategies that we've learnt. And we've mastered this, and we've been trading it in and out over the last 3.5 years. And we honestly look forward to being able to share this message or share this information, you know, as 4 years to come. Okay, sorry. My computer, I have an iMac, it's very, very sensitive. Okay, so what trading do we do? Part 2, we only trade a small portion of our capital or our balance. So if we go in and buy a trade, we like to buy it for a minimum of 10%. I often don't go any higher than 25% of my balance into a trade. We don't put all our eggs into one basket. We try to make our trading as low risk as possible, and it's definitely low risk doing it this way. We never put our whole balance into one trade, okay, never. It's just the trading style that we do, it's just too risky. And I know other traders out there who probably trade, you know, the whole balance will understand that, but we don't do that. And we are all about making micro profits, which are compounding over a time to make mega profits. So, you know, if you're starting with a certain amount, we pretty much just go in and trade that with that certain amount, you know, small portion into one trade, another portion into another, and we just compound that over a long term. And long term for us is 6 months to a year. And it's so doable, especially for people who are new to the crypto space or crypto trading space. We've been able to master it. I've been able to replace my income. It is now my living, so I'm now a full-time day trader. And we pretty much enjoy, you know, the trading strategy. Like, we've come across people in our time as mentors, trading mentors, who have been burnt because they've pretty much not necessarily gone around the whole aspects around the psychological part of trading. Okay, and that's what trading we do. But that's us for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Again, you know, subscribe to our channel, like our content, click on the bell, because anytime we will upload more videos, you will get notification. Again, you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram. But until our next video, take care and stay blessed.